Hi guys, it's Maaike. Today I'm back with 24 weeks of Christmas cards 2020. It's number 7 and here's the card I made. Oh, I always say oh, I only make cute cards, I guess. This is Create a Smile card kit from, I don't know, 5-6 years ago? Maybe longer. But I still have all the bits and bobs because I haven't used any of it except the die and the stamp maybe. But I want to use the cutout. This is like a landscape with 2 snowmen. And I already die cut it because I was looking for one of my masks if they would fit. But they're either too small, too big. So what I've decided to do is to use this rim. I did cut this out from a scrap. There's no pointy bit in it, but I don't need it. I can't make a stencil out of it because it cuts the rim. So I just used this cardstock and many post-it tapes. And I keep it in place, but also mask off my card base. Very nice. See, now it will fit properly because it's made for each other. And to do some ink blending, I'm going to lightly trace the edge, maybe even erase it a little bit. And now I'm going in with all the brightly colored distress inks and a mini dauber or finger dauber. I'm just pulling it up from the bottom, so you get kind of a flame. Is that a good word? And a squeezed lemonade, barn door, twisted citron, picked raspberry, wilted violet. I didn't do any orange because I thought, the red and the yellow would make orange. And the green is that's dangerous because of the green and the pink. But don't overlap too much, it will be okay. And you don't see the bit behind the snowman, of course. So I just want the feather because I thought it would look a little bit like a northern light or aurora borealis, or maybe city lights. And I went over most of the red with the purple because I thought maybe it needs to be more purpley if it's the northern light. There's no rhyme or reason. And for my sky, I'm pulling it out from the edges as well with a bigger one. I'm starting with peacock feathers, then faded jeans, chipped sapphire, and black soot on the edges. And I'm pulling it down to where my flames are, and then I'm just trying not to cover them, but of course add dimension with different kinds of blue to make it look night sky. And there I went a little bit over there but I don't think you will see it. See, I will just go over it again with wilted violet. And I'm sorry if I sound weird because I can hear myself go. And that's because I'm missing not 1, not 2, but 3 teeth at the moment. So I'm a little bit sore as well, but it's okay. I mean, I hope you can understand what I'm saying. It might be a little bit more difficult than usual. I'm still smiling, but that wasn't my best week, I can tell you. Now, I thought, let's not do snow or stars for once, but I caved in. This is titanium white, and you can see the block is all black, and this one was half black. That means it's opaque if it's all black, or translucent if it's semi-covered. And I'm going to wash my hands now, because I like to do it with a toothbrush, because you get finer snow or stars. I don't know. Now for the sentiment, I'm using my favorite things, Kizon's Greetings, and that's also the one I'm using. And I could have used a critter out of this set, but I feel like I already used it. I'm not sure if I used it on camera last year, so I went with a Digi from Digi Doodle Studio. Doodle Digi, well, I linked it down below. I didn't notice, But if it's your first order, you get 10% off. There's a code on the website, and I didn't see it, so shame on me. And I got the winter raccoon, or skiing raccoon. And yeah, I will show you in a minute, but see? I think it looks like a northern sky. I'm going to glue it with some liquid glue so I can maybe fix it in place if I need to. So of course, after all that, I want it to be in the right spot. And preferably straight-ish. I'm going to weight it down and let it dry. Oh yeah, and this is the raccoon I was talking about. And I did print it to different sizes, because I don't want it to cover up all the things that I made, of course, but that doesn't make sense down there. And this looks more dynamic if it's going off the scene a little bit, I think. Might be me, but I'm going to turn on the music and I'll see you after the coloring. Enjoy! I pointed at it. I didn't know what that little thing underneath his scar is, but I think it's a sweater that I didn't think about. He could be wearing a sweater. Scarf, fine. Skis, fine. Sweater, Here's the code. I link it down below as well. It's not an affiliate, but you might find it easier to click that there. And yeah, I am going to put him on a wobble. What I'm thinking about, maybe I should do his eyes with a gel pen, and I couldn't find it. Not the zig one that I think it's on my other disc. But if you want to make a wobble, just get some wire and turn it around something round. And that Sharpie was a little bit too thick. Pencil might be a little bit too thin, but this was quite alright. And then all I do is stick it with some tape. But first I'm going to do the eyes before, you know, it wobbles. And of course I couldn't find it. So I went with the Sharpie, and it doesn't have a really fine point, but I think it actually went better today than I was anticipating. Lucky me there. So well, he set it as well, just to be sure, because I'm going to turn around this image. Skiing bandit, and this is so cute. I like it. And it's $3, so if you get the discount, that's 30 cents off $2.70. That's a nice price for it, I think. And there's many more. I bought 2. I wanted like 6 of them, and I restrained myself. So a bit more tape. I just slide it underneath the, what is it, spring, and then stick it on the paper. And then you can readjust your spring, make it longer or not. Make sure it's in the right spot. And there is your bandit. So thank you for watching. I hope you will join me again soon. Bye.